Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. We begin with news this evening of possible major disruptions to the country's water supply system come next week. This after the trade unions representing workers at the National Water Commission (NWC) yesterday issued a 72-hour strike notice on management. The NWC workers are restive over delays in the revision of their salary scales. A steering committee was established last year to complete a job evaluation exercise and make an alignment to the new compensation structure for the public sector. That process should have been completed by November last year. But President of the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, Cavan Gale, says the workers are frustrated with the delay. A response from the Ministry of Finance to the unions yesterday was deemed to be unacceptable.
More demotivated, and they have indicated that if the matter is not brought to some closure where they can benefit, they intend to take industrial action. There are some areas that the unions have raised as concerns, and these areas, we believe, can be meaningfully addressed.
Mr. Gale is urging the NWC management and the Finance Ministry to call an emergency meeting with the unions to prevent industrial action.
We have served the 72-hour strike notice as is required by law based on the fact of NWC being an essential service. And if the matter is not being addressed within the 72 hours, it is quite likely that the workers will take industrial action. It is our hope as unions representing these workers that the management of the NWC and the Ministry of Finance would seek to address these outstanding issues.